Ready to unleash the full potential of your Pinterest marketing? We are going to be diving deep into Pinterest analytics, your golden ticket to really truly understanding what makes your audience tick. Forget the just post pretty pictures and hope for the best approach. We are talking about strategic moves that'll turn your Pinterest into a lead generation machine like no other. Welcome back. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jen Vasquez. Are you tired of feeling like a hamster on a marketing wheel? I am obsessed with helping you streamline your Pinterest, nail those marketing workflows, add a dash of AI, and mastering your blogging game, all to save you time. Imagine more dreamy clients and less hassle. That's what we're going for. If that sounds amazing, then make sure that you subscribe to our channel and hit that little bell so that you're notified every time I release a new video weekly. Why Pinterest analytics matter, like really matter. Think of Pinterest analytics as your crystal ball. They show you who's vibing with your brand, discover the demographics, interests, and even the devices that your ideal client uses. What content makes them swoon, uncover the pins and the topics that are sparking the most engagement. How they're interacting with your pins. Are they clicking through to your website? Are they saving your pins for later? You can find out all of that information in analytics. Armed with this intel, you can take your business goals and create a strategy with all of this information to serve up content that really resonates with your ideal client, just like a love song. Before I jump into all the details, I have to tell you about my Pinterest marketing resources. You're going to get instant access to over 15 plus tools and 8 masterclasses and the challenge that we're currently on right now, all designed to help you succeed on this dynamic platform and all for free. So jump in right now and click that link below so that you can go ahead and get started. Your Pinterest analytics cheat sheet. Don't get overwhelmed by the data overload, because here are the most important metrics for service-based businesses like yours. Impressions. How many times your pins have appeared in somebody's feed, in searches, and also on the categories pages. Pin clicks. How often do people click on the pin that's in their feed or that they find in a search to take that closer look? That's half the battle, right? Outbound clicks, the holy grail when it comes to marketing your business, not just growing Pinterest. This is how many people click through to your content or your website from that pin. And total sessions from Pinterest. In Google Analytics, how many website visits you're getting from Pinterest traffic. Pin clicks versus outbound clicks, your dynamic duo. Think of pin clicks as the initial spark. Someone is super intrigued. Outbound clicks are where the magic happens. Those are people who are genuinely interested in your services and or the content that you have on that pin and are taking that next step to learn more. By tracking these two metrics, you can pinpoint the content that's not only catching eyes, but also driving real potential client traffic to your site. Just remember that no matter how amazing Pinterest is at driving traffic to your website's job is to convert them. So make sure that you have it very easy on any blog or your website in general, that there's a place to click to take immediate action. How to use Pinterest data like a boss. Step 1, spot the winners. Which pins are getting the most clicks and driving traffic? Make more of that kind of content. I know it sounds super simple, but it is truly that easy. Ditch the duds. If a pin is not performing, don't be afraid to give it a refresh or try a different approach. You don't need to delete any pins. Those pins are on there, whether you think they're duds or not. Suddenly they can start driving more traffic to you. So don't delete them, but you can create a new pin that is similar with maybe better keywords or maybe the same text, but a better image. Step 3, plan ahead with Pinterest trends. See what's trending and create content that aligns with those hot topics. And for those of you that don't know where your Pinterest trends are, they are on the same tab where your analytics are on Pinterest, or go to trends.pinterest.com and log into your Pinterest account from that spot, and then they will take you to all the trends. Step number 4, refine and repeat. Pinterest is always evolving, so keep checking your analytics regularly to adjust your strategy and stay ahead of the game depending on your business goals. Remember that you need to keep checking your analytics regularly. Regularly means once a month. You don't need to do it more often, but don't wait too long. You want to be able to have some statistics that you can look at over time. And then when you're seeing any kind of a dip in Pinterest analytics, you're going to be like, oh yeah, last May, June, and July, and sometimes August, my Pinterest dipped a little bit. That's because everyone's outside and they're not on their phones as much. So make sure that you're checking all of that and you're taking into account your business goals. You do not want to create a Pinterest strategy unless you have the knowledge of what your goals are, and then you're going to create a strategy on Pinterest, following Pinterest best practices to create a strategy that you're going to use moving forward in terms of your pinning. And if you're unsure and you want some more expert advice, go ahead and click the link below and we can jump on a discovery call for Pinterest, no pressure. I can let you know which services that I offer might be best for you and talk through all the details. Remember, Pinterest isn't just about pretty pictures. It is truly about connecting with your dream clients and growing your business. Let's make Pinterest magic happen. See you next time.